How to enable dark mode on Bilibili. First of all, open the Bilibili app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app opens, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner to access your profile. After that, scroll down and select Settings to open more options. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option called Dark Mode and tap on it. Now choose Dark Mode to enable it right away. You can also set it to System Default, which will automatically switch between light and dark mode based on your device settings. Once applied, the interface will switch to a darker theme, making it more comfortable for your eyes while browsing or watching videos on Bilibili. Now you know how to enable dark mode on Bilibili. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.